I said they for ban me, you and Mr. Logic.
Then somebody to the Tafri Moisha and pussy inside.
Wow.
For the studio there. If you tell me.
If you go get girl way to do Mɛnsɛs, in one league and before you go chop out. Somebody like that. Some dirty person like that.
You bull Unjibo. My brain made you. You say you are on God. Your mother on God. I beg them to book you. You say, Mr. Logic, they can't beg me Momo. Hey, what Chatamichi bend her back for you?
Abusia, and some about wanted here. Mr. William Pobasho, Adentia, Shatta the Wale, dance walking, king of Africa. I was it 2024 years, Simi, all trans Emma Sabio, a man for a friend in my mayor from Adentia, a say Mr. Logic, and one Asɛm. Bulldog, your friend A Bulldog to say no. Ono so no Shatta Wale si o jina mo so agasa. Adentia was it omu yusu din e kwotena a TV station. And now say omu na nante kakra ntino. Omu yusu din e keka nsem hunu bi e de fa no ho a. Wa bra saa ne ma no. Ono Shatta Wale e na sabi omu muska. Shatta Wale atima kansam akodrum pempe so say sabi o Mr. Logic there. Ai asresre the whole Ghana. Upo be osrese skapa dia ai sanimomo twamomo Mr. Logic. Na okaya kodru baabi a na wo de ehohu pa. O se Bulldog de o ba asabio wanya na Mɛnsɛs no o ba asabio ne bosum yaso a wanya na bra no eno na Bulldog etafre ansa no no ba ada. Ei na wei eno o se o sane Bulldog krompon ayetresom. Mama Shatta Wale bu afuye pa. Asɛm fan for mo wai fans for mo wai because Asɛm we de mamu nyai mo Adwenepahene so maka tell me say me say me no my register me SM fan I know ntina Asɛm we aba ye ntina ase e me fa so akwanda na ya chenchina ye ntina ase emumu nyai emo Shatta Wale nku aso say ye ti ase nku ade Shatta Wale eku enne e china Shatta Wale obedi pim yes because we check the way Bulldog Bulldog wi woni Mr. Logic atimi up person mu di Shatta Wale ni na abusua ani enyai no krede e ba akopɛ aso person mu ka Shatta Wale ehye wan kona adai u Bulldog wi wan manage Shatta Wale pen what you say ankoye na still Shatta Wale kra enu ye free a adai ntina umma etu nkotwene de atwene still na anu okotra ba bia ana say bebre ana sabio Mr. Logic so de sa on so de se car renting any a car se sia no renting gaga sa no this Ghana wo Shatta Wale atomoto na Mr. Logic so asen nsembe otudwa se Shatta Wale kura no edi eye Mauritius Mauritius bodo odi no tunum e ma amanfo esa do monsa ye de ewo no an studio na sabio de we a omo miensa no obiado bi secret e ba bontene de me de maka kirebo SM fans for no mo we mo mle na Asɛm we de agime sempo mo me go tie eye both sides ni nyina Bulldog what you say on the caption on the battle to war Mr. Logic abe fire Shatta Wale aga fire amana de kiki Mr. Logic amon so aba they say ye twen Shatta Wale so say aba bi tengo tie nsema Shatta Wale de batu dwa ene nsema Mr. Logic so ye de batu dwa na wia video se betwa gu nyina ya aboa for maso yasene agrowe aye de keke
I said they for ban you and Mr. Logic. Mr. Logic get bobo, Mr. Logic. Mr. Logic go with say table. Somebody throw table for Kenya where he can knock his wife in head. So they for go hospital right now. They lie, the whole wealth. Mr. Logic. He go with say Nima got a fly where he can hit him back, so he get back pain. Mr. Logic. Somebody wait before he go tell say helicopter in this thing the propeller no 1-4 where he can cut in here. For where? All because of Mumu. You go tell yourself to make it pay you. In every time I said they walk no way in kidding leg loss. Mr. Logic. All because of Mumu. People can't get there, you can't want talk who you matter. Someday you Mr. Logic, you say I want my car, I give you money, Mr. Logic. Oh, I want just I don't see him 1 week. You take my money run away. The time you bring the money where I give away be 20 Ghana. The time you bring 3 CD, 4 CD, 5 CD, 3 CD, 4 CD. It chops some of the money we bring. Police station where I lock you for. You forget. I lock you for police station, but you Mr. I lock you before. And if you do, I go lock you again. This that people no sense stupid things where you do for TV and radio way nobody see. Mr. It a lie, Papa. Mr. Logic. You go fit say he sleep, you wake up, water hose can dey here inside. So if I go ear checking, so send a mumu, Mr. Logic. Every reggae dancer artist who they Ghana, all the boys with me and names are from I1, everybody they know Mr. Logic. If he liar, very big time liar. So anything where they talk for in head, it no sense no day there. You Mr. Logic, you the red car, basa. Because of car renting, the rent, you know. So always if you get format for your head. You go fit say they stand 37 way he can't cross articulator can pass in laptop. So they say in Tom they for go do operation for him. So we get made. It's a lie. We know them. People like this, then you post sit down, then you are listening to them like they are sensible people. They don't get sense one bit. Mr. Logic. Who be Mr. Logic? It's a lie, Mr. Logic. Bulldog never say go talk to matter. Bulldog, if girl they do in Mɛnsɛs, that way they like lick the girl. Bulldog, if girl they do Mɛnsɛs, everybody know. If they talk people anyhow by heart, people way they know. Woman, you get wife, but if you go get girl way they do Mɛnsɛs, you won't lick them before you go chop them. Somebody like that, so dirty person like that, then you can't sit radio. You know, see every day they wear jalabia for TV. You know they wear supporter. Indeed, to like. Indeed, for the jalabia inside. You see and judge like this. Me, I give Bulldog hook up girl before. Bulldog, what do you want to show Ghana people? What do you want to tell Ghana people about Shatta Wale? What do you want to tell? You see, the things where you put they do where the first thing they say, when matter happen, if they do like, you and me get some secret. Bulldog, you and me get no secrets. As you come alive, I tell go Malam before. If you wait, if you tell me, say, your wife say, some place they make her go there, I tell Bulldog, man, they believe in God. I know they do that thing. I know they do those things. You they do medicine, see your life. Every day wear jalabia, they wear support. I can't sit YouTube, you can't talk, they can't do that. We know you. We know you. All the book on girls, all the fuck all, them what they did a couple. If your wife hears something where you say you do for that, the way you go verse you, the way your wife go verse you, they can't talk, then one can't talk matter. Say you can't. Yeah, right. 2024. I will go on TV. Because you get money to build TV and radio station. I said that people where they put you for the radio station, it be them be the problem. They don't want that. It be them be the problem. Because they don't want someone like you where they leak Mɛnsɛs. They leak Mɛnsɛs. Somebody where if woman you want chop more woman say it dey Mɛnsɛs, you go leak am. Go leak the woman. Come down, Bulldog, come out and come say you don't do this thing before. Me and you go Lex in house, your birthday. Me and you go Lex in house. I give you hook up girl. Me and you all chop the girl. Me and you we do threesome. Asia. That time when you get wife. Come they can't talk, they won't can't talk somebody matter. You won't can't talk somebody matter. You Bulldog, the time you come alive inside that make come. Forget yourself. You know can't do anything. Come add my life. What you can do come out of life? You know how to buy a house. You know, first day advertise at the go buy ring. You say it be too expensive. Someday me in the America, I won't buy pinky ring. I see for jewelry shop, I won't buy diamond pinky ring like this. $3,000. Oh no, me cannot buy. Why no? I said, you guy, why you move like that? What's here today? People want to make you fight with Nigerian people. You they say they wear all those things. Bulldog, this one they wear, it be 9,000. This is my ring. Give me $9,000. Oh, look, Papa. Washia. Now, what advice? Forget everything. We just say you do it. You can't take go court. We go court. The judge tells you, Bulldog, what you are doing with this, your brother, can't you guys sit down and solve it? What is all this? The judge asks you for court. For court. The judge asks you for court. You can't get there, you and Mr. Logic. If me people move, well, I say you people were lazy. That's why I sack you. You also somebody you manage Shatta Wale. Ghana, do I make you educate on? I say if somebody be somebody manager, don't be say the person where they buy the person cow. Don't be say the person where they buy the person house. I employ the person. If me, I employ the person. The person don't get anything. If me who employ you. Don't sound like that. Then go sit with you know, go talk to yo, as I was working with Shatta, Shatta has this big mind and he has this innovative and creativity and what you know, they won't go talk like You know Shatta Wale. You know Shatta Wale for you where they eat Mɛnsɛs. Mr. Lodge, they are not want to talk about that. You go fit and say, as you wake up right now, phone for his stomach inside. So if you go do operation, all because of Momo, Mr. Logic. You make your app boy like N1. Your app boy, where you make like N1.
Where you betray me, eh? One way or the other, they got their judgment. Because you, Wale, you are surprised, eh? The rude boys tell you where you betray them. The rude boys tell you where you take you go Rakus. Make them go give you contract to come and perform for Base Awards, the first edition of Base Awards. Ask Bulldog. That day, Bulldog, Steve, they were all there. They say, hey, and even Gabby. They said, that boy need a respect. We don't want time for the show. I say, I dey beg. He's my artist, I dey beg. Bulldog is my witness. I beg them to book you. I beg them to book you. Because yeah, you say, Mr. Logic, they can't beg me Momo. Eh, what is wrong with that? What is wrong with that? If I beg you Momo? Because you fucking begged me before. When I met you for Tawara, you couldn't even afford to buy paracetamol. I fucking gave you money. And I chartered taxi for you to take you to Dansuman. Have I said it anywhere? So what is wrong? Say, you be my G. Where I go, you go give me Momo. Or I go ask you Momo. What is wrong with that? Nothing is wrong with it, and they tell you. The same way you go beg McDan, you go beg Kofi Aban, you go beg all those big men. So if you give your G something, I say he can't beg you. If you give somebody money, he say he can't beg you. You give Julio money, he can't beg you. One day you go talk say Sami Flex beg you. You go talk him. We are all waiting. Make I tell you something. You see me, eh? It be like you don't know, say, me, I am the higher version of you. Me, Mr. Logic, I am the higher version of you. I taught you this. You don't be bad boy, oh. But Choco Oje, Choco Oje. You don't be Nima boy, oh. You don't be Nima boy. If we don't talk Nima boy, you know there inside. You be tenant for Nima. You be tenant. You be squatter. You were squatting for Nima. You don't be Nima boy. If we are talking Nima boys, it be Salonzi them, blade, bone them, stone them, and deportee them. Those boys be Nima boys. So you don't be Nima boy. The time you met Shatamichi, eh? This is what you told me. Daddy. I say I get some girl, eh? I get some white girl, eh? Shatamichi be white girl. Shatamichi be white girl. Anamu tumobu. Anamu. Shatamichi be white girl. Daddy, I get some white girl, eh? I get some white girl. Hey, the girl, you know they love her, man. Daddy, the girl, they love me, eh? The girl, they work for dope records. That was Shatamichi. You were dying for Michi. The young girl gave you her life. She stood by you. If every artist for Ghana, if every upcoming artist, if every frustrated and depressed artist forget a woman like Shatamichi, for them are back, like they all make it. They will all make it. I was there from the fucking beginning. Shatamichi bent her back for you, mother. She sweat for you. She did things for you. She fucking fed you. By your own words, I was there. Today, what did you do to Michi? What did you do to Michi? You want me to tell you all the things, or you think that we don't know, eh? You have the guts to mention T name. Hey, bro, make I tell you, T be fucking virgin. You fuck virgin before. You fuck virgin before, Shatta Wale. You fuck virgin before. Don't be Ashawo you the fuck. All the time I've known you, Ashawo saw you the fuck. The only person you couldn't manipulate to fuck Ashawo be me, Mr. Logic. You couldn't manipulate me to fuck Ashawo. My eye open rough. My eye open rough. You go back me say make I go tell Stonebwoy, daddy for tell Stonebwoy say make we unite and do it. You see the thing right now, we are looking for money. We don't want to fight. Ghana Music Award UK out just a few months ago. I tell you, okay, I'll be in London. So I'll go and talk to Stone. Where I say, make I no bother, because this guy said, we can't tell this thing. The next minute, he say, he will come insult Stone. My mom said no end. My mom, he no end. I see no say they insult Stone. He a jealous Stone. He a jealous Stone boy. Why? But you see how Stone boy give you a run? Stone boy give you a run fucking. He give you a run. He show you say the proper Asaman boy. Stone boy give you proper Asaman boy. What make I tell you? You see that matter when you talk about Jupiter. I mean, I won't tell Jupiter this thing. You see Jupiter, make I tell you something. You boys saw, I know you guys saw when you guys were coming out. I know all of you. I have the videos and the pictures. Everything there. I go to release the pictures and the videos all. There is only one rude boy telling. Only one rude boy telling. Make you go ask Nima Al-Qaeda. Nima Al-Qaeda. That time, nobody gives a fuck about Shatta Wale. When the first day I went to Nima Al-Qaeda, the road block from Nima roundabout into Al-Qaeda. Ask anybody where they Al-Qaeda. The time Mr. Logic visit Al-Qaeda for Nima. Because they don't say rude boys telling, he be real guy. If you not be me, like Nima don't know you. Don't tell me I'm lying. I was the one who was on radio. Give me another water. Yeah, give me another water. Because Shario can once you come crab you. Because Shario it's you. Give me water. Because Shario can once massa. He say Mr. Logic they beg Momo. Because now make a beg what? I beg Momo, yeah, I beg Momo, pa, I beg. I beg you, Momo, yeah, I don't go deny. I beg you, Momo. I beg you, Momo. I accept. Because me then you get business, me then you get things to do. Me then you get things to do. What is wrong for begging you, Momo? What is wrong asking for Momo? Why me then you get business? Where they tell me daddy this, daddy that, do that for me, do this for me, do that for me. What is wrong with that?
Odo, me cook room about.
I'm talking about him, man.
You offer be a Muslim sending this cow Ghana.
Mamma, I saw what I said this can cross or cook room.
Now, my any day.
It's not me, I send there.
I'm coming back to make
me. I know to tap on car.
Dear.
Tap send.
No, no, so I
Apple Abba, or be a to go to phone so. Now what they register this and this coffee. I enter the shade.
Hey, sir.
Now, what you could chase extra. Man, Mr. Make a tap send amount. So you should iPhone and also the time. No App Store. No download the Google phone so. Android phone so. No Google Play. No download the Google phone so. Mr. And I will send the source to Mr. Or first transaction ben. Also we hear promo code. Once about Adwenepahene. Adwenepahene at the boom. Yes, in Timpacho. Uboguma. Who Europe will be €5 free. Before the same party for. Some can put tap at amount. Oh, America to Canada, dear. Hey, ma'am, $10. To Mr. Man, or buy one for say, and quite want to be a so pay. Pacho, who piano no echo. Someone quite wanted the man. Download this see at the fee in Pacho, not relaxing. No one's pure wanted. Me quite wanted. Mammy, now, dear, I am the company say, first one, we should a credit card and come on. And that dear tap Paul Armanta was a decaf for a bit more. Was it who shoot no more bank card? What you register SMS for Asɛm de atadwe yatedene to tap a ba am here for say send this can go Ghana now rate no so come yen bia mama Miss make a farmer also when yaje enu nie me no ye bad power and gentem to Mr. Promo code bogum na ho hia me Adwenepahene I nanya €5 free I no more Canada so in US so so benya $10. Oh, say your day. I am a daddy for the only family. I ain't tap here, come on. Hey, tap send Abusia, red to Mohene. Auntie, is in from you. Hello, Auntie, is more we POP no, and the TV unit no, the few painting no swear. Hey, and your company near come and ask for enterprise now. And who pictures was a name? Okay, my mission. Hey, wow. I didn't ever say. Akwe me fi look kama Anasbo Enterprise. Wait a minute, could do 1,000 sister. Na Mr. Dear, no that was Anasbo Enterprise. I don't go in if you paint in the Biadman. Can't see me shira where the Oman Nasbo Enterprise. Why me fear they come apart. No come sister.
Bra. What drew Hanum? Okay, and show bedroom how. Or maybe a POP no. I must send you pictures. Yeah, and time for pictures in the bedroom. I'm them poor cop at them. Sa, I have a Mr. Fabrem, yan and tem, too many kawaii, and I'm them show me in a hair chair. Why?
Hey, sister.
Hey,
Yeah, me
now
come
it's a POP in the way.
Ah, sister, so to.
Mr. Punk Cop
And that's what enterprise, sister. Me some people in the party.
Ha!
Sister, T, what the people in the share and a
POP, we feel POP in
and on my end,
TV set no so.
TV set no so.
Now kitchen no so.
Kitchen no so. Sister.
Hey, no my if you want to be
and that's what enterprise. Usifie na person me POP ma wa. And that's what enterprise we you POP amount. Almost a TV unit account. Almost a to your house in na. And that's what besan your kitchen amount. And that's boy assign I do windows assign she wo dan mu glass na window no komo ya sister. What to type open. Normal estimate na. Omo to 70%.
Hey, yeah, so we see can we the number one.
Omo number ne good screen so etwagu no. Omo number ne guso etwagu nti mesra Anasbo enterprise and once obekira omo say Adwenepahene TV na say
hey POPs the omo ya POPs
number one POP looking kon na nim ade de wom Anasbo enterprise o charge wia ono na kofa na nioma efiri baabi abuchire edeba Ghana.
Wow.
Na
omo sa no afo na go PO ami hwe POPs we
but na sister mesra wo dan na wusi no Mr. Onye mistake for come and ask for enterprise. Baby, I show monster na
kitchen, TV set, BBR,
wow, POPs, large system ni BBR. O me sign up for glass BBR ma. Na windows BF. Sister, Anasbo enterprise there, Mr.
Omo ye King Kong.
Dream ka na me ba be ka kire no.
Mr. Mama ye na me dem.
Na kona ko from the wo kwa edema ref.
Adwenepahene. Bekiti.
Benya discount kama.
Oh,
Anasbo enterprise.
Omo ye King Kong.
Sister, na ko be me say.
Ranka me ba wo. Asema to me. Me say, me busuafo afre me enyo ya ka kire me say. Me dan na me boss 1 month ago no. Enyunugu.
Awuda na wusi ne Ghana no.
Me say,
enyunu. And I say one for company papa. Company be na ko for sister. Ade wanted Destiny Roofing and Steel Trusses enka.
Omo ye hefa for.
Destiny Roofing and Steel Trusses omo Ghana. Sister e ban down so border number 1. And omo sign e border so a 30 years warranty. 30 years. Now when can unique Destiny Roofing and Steel Trusses the common esa ko pass abosa ma wo. And at omo be border anu so a omo free estimate. Free estimate. And omo dan so omo boss so e ma wo say kimwa omo yusu nade. Sister, and omo say yusu nuya. Enua no omo say shen a drum and say pika empro. And can come Roma empro nyahwe. Na wo te abrochire and na wo kofa carpenter ni bi o share enkwan chen ko border so. Wa bra Destiny Roofing and Steel Trusses e wo sister, mesra uduru Accra say pe. Uko Ayɛka na sepokuri ase. Amamole Canada Junction. Accra pokuri ase ya. Amamole Canada Junction. Uduru ma wo so pe Destiny Roofing and Steel Trusses sister. O matuka akoye free estimate da amount. Obi ate abrochire. And na kofa carpenter ni o share sister mesra me kan fo da amount nti we den ha nkora. E wo so aboka enya hwe but Destiny e be je nkwa. Destiny e be ma bibi ato ukwa wo se opese obuje estimator o ho beto. Nti dine e Adwenepahene TV na se Beki TV. Ubo say di we kire o sister. O meto mbo ase ahwo kama. Na obi a o te abrochire aboka asida. And I won't go for Destiny Roofing and Steel Trusses and more dash. Sister, may come for the amount. Yes. Omo number and a good screen. Omo email address on a good screen. So a tribunal. So at on my board down some 30 years warranty.
30 years,
30 years we will now wait until how much sister. Mr. On board down some our own. A cooler. One to fire more than Crumpuna or down better. And on down some boss and so try and yet on board down some Debbie. Omo down so omo be so abrochire Destiny na tidin omo be so abrochire to omo down so wo dem ayefo enya tata ti makanfo da ma nti we dem srew obetimi no mo ankasa akonete straight abusuafo bi ani for one na bi ani sa pepe nti mekanfo ayede edama
to we pa de for omo
number no so na ese etwagu no email address na ese etwagu no nti sister abusua Destiny Roofing Sheet and Trusses
omo ba ma Ghana for
Adwenepahene otwa supre kwabrafo wa ye kwa bibrim han bafo otwa burumu wode putupuriye buraburu ma mansan wo fufuo tum